Yolanda owns a mobile home. I love this question. And her son wants to get a pet snake. She mentioned this to a neighbor in the park who reported it to the park manager. Yolanda writes in and says that the park manager has told her she cannot have a snake in her mobile home. And she's wondering, can the park manager really do that?
It depends on who owns the trailer, who owns the lot,
Uh-huh.
and that sort of thing. Mobile homes aren't real estate, okay? They're like a car. They're, movable. They have a little blue slip title like cars do. So the question is, who owns the lot? So are we renting the lot? If we're renting the lot, there's a lease. Does that lease say no exotic animals? It just depends on what the paperwork says. But there's no yes or no answer
Yeah.
to this question without looking at those docs. But if we're talking, about chain smoking Nurse Ratchet kind of mobile home park manager, as I've run into on a number of occasions, they can't just arbitrarily say this. There has to be something backing it up.
Got it. All right. A reminder that if you want to see what sellers are saying about us, you can go to LouisvilleSellersTalk.com. That'll show you some of the videos that we produce. We are out of time. My thanks to Chuck Crosby, who is the head guy over at the Crosby Law Offices. You can reach him anytime to do your closing, and you can pick the closing attorney that you want. He does wills, which I can't tell you how important that is, and so many other things. You can reach Chuck at 499-6360. Also, we thank Steve Phillips for hanging in there with Swan Financial and giving us his expert opinion. You can reach Steve at 439-2859. And if you're thinking of selling your home, whether it's now or in the future, I'd love to help you. You can call me for a free, no obligation meeting, and we'll talk about what the plan might be, what needs to be done or not done. You can reach me on my cell phone, 376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. And remember, we've got agents who are ready to help you find your new home as well. We're out of time. See you next Sunday on News Radio 840 WHAS.